Okay, folks, when I uploaded that long 27-28 minute video, I told you there would be a shorter version about half that size, and here it is to show the road between Kingman and Oatman, which was part of the original 66 over a place called Sitgreaves Pass. It is a kind of dangerous road. They recommend a maximum of 40 foot for anyone taking an RV, and this will give you a good idea. We have pictures, video of a lot of different sections, so you can see exactly what it's going to take for you to go over top of this thing and take that old scenic route down into Oatman. So here we go. Take these relaxing 100 and some turns.
Relaxing. I got a feeling I'll be driving soon. Stop.
We can stop.
It was, yeah, we was dead. Okay, that's gonna dead end. Lord, if those people wasn't gonna drive that road, they would be disappointed.
Nothing over 40 feet for the next 13 miles. We're going to have some switchbacks. Open 22.
Then they go where the people are.
Hey, buddy. Don't be afraid.
I'll walk in a straight line.
We'll be the only people that go to Oatman. There'll be no burrows there.
I know.
Where are they? 25 miles down the road. Where's my little book? My 1946 book.
This one?
Yeah. See what it says about Oatman.
For the first 5 miles west of Kingman, US 66 climbs slightly and passes through Sitgreaves Pass. Those rocky, palisaded walls narrow and then widen as you merge upon a wide plain.
That must be what we're coming up on.
This country is the home of the Mojave and Hualapai Indians. They fell upon early immigrant trains through the pass, one notable massacre occurring in 1862.
This was the travel guidebook that everybody bought
To go look, okay.
to drive, to get out and adventure on Route 66. No interstates existed. Okay, I guess this is where the fun begins.
Yeah. Note the interesting variety of stone or cable guardrails, or lack thereof, that offer a faint comfort. We're going up. That will tell us how high. Here we go.
Speed limit 15. It is pretty though.
Oh, there's the guardrail.
There's the guardrail. I don't even want to look and see what drop that would be.
No.
But they felt the need to put that there.
Yeah, it's pretty. Remember when you were in Honduras and you said that the roads just kind of fell off?
Yeah.
Pretend you're there again. Where it says we're going to gradually climb 1,400 feet back up, and then it's going to be at an altitude of 3,515.
Okay.
I'm guessing.
There's the Cactus Cafe and
That's Ed's.
Ed's
Okay,
Camp.
we're at Ed's now. Now we're at Ed's.
The book mentioned Ed's in
The book
1946.
mentions- Let's see, the book mentions.
Tell us about Ed's.
Let's see. Well, the book doesn't mention Ed's. The new one mentions Ed's. Resides another old-time place, intact but closed and forbidden to tourists. Ed Egerton, An old prospector who forsook the mother lode to mind the mother road started Ed's camp, no trespassing, obey all signs. The road really gets hairy west of Ed's, with hairpin curves and sheer drops coming hot and heavy. Note the interesting variety of guardrails or cable guardrails, or lack thereof. Flowers appear in season, as do bees. Please respect the fragile beauty of this area and use caution for falls and snakes.
See if it counts down. Look for this thing at exit 30. Mile 30.
Mile 30.
Mile 30. Not exit. You don't want an exit. You don't want any exit off this road. Oh, but look at that.
No, don't look at that. You're driving. Those are the wall things I was talking about, how the rocks are just there and they look like walls.
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you the picture later. Seeing how you're driving.
I'm busy.
You're busy. Okay, that's kind of interesting right there. Watch for pedestrians. We've not driven 2 miles yet, have we? As slow as we're going, we couldn't have.
I could look at the dashboard and see, but then we'd die, so I don't know.
Okay, well, you just keep driving.
Oh, that's the road going up through there, isn't it? Oh,
Yeah.
boy. Oh, boy. Well, there's mile 30, so somewhere around here, we didn't already pass it.
Oh, it's probably that truck.
Probably where they're stopped.
Yeah, there's supposed to be a little pull-off place. Although...
The hell, if I'm pulling over there, there's no guardrail, nothing to catch me.
Yeah, just keep moving.
Are your palms sweaty yet?
Nope, I'm fine.
They should be. They really, really should.
Elevation.
This is it.
This is our overlook. I'll tell you don't park on a hill, but...
So the big question, was it worth it to come up here? For us it was because of these views, but you'll have to decide for yourself. Once again, no guardrails. As soon as you start down this hill, you're also going to want to stop here for more views, but the really interesting thing is what you're going to find on past here. You'll only see this by walking around to the back side. All of these wonderful memorials people have done to people and pets. You can tell people put a lot of time and care into some of these.
Don't waste a sigh of relief on gaining 3,550 feet high Sitgreaves Pass. For now comes a dizzying drop downhill either way. Watch those brakes, use a lower gear for snakes and bad cell reception. Which is is really sad because there's a tower on top of that mountain. This is from the new book. Now, let's see what the old one has to say.
Okay. 1946.
Gold Hill Summit was the thing we stopped on the other side, where we watched cars come up at the top of the path. The Gold Hill grade, around several sharp turns, the road descends over 700 feet in 2 miles from the summit into the town of Gold Road. You pass the Consolidated Gold Mining Company's mine and soon afterwards enter Oatman at 32 miles. So we're going down. Concrete. There's gold in them there hills. Somewhere. Big chunk of gold right there.
That was a beer can, baby. Folks, when you sneeze, do you automatically close your eyes too? Two or three sneezes in a row get a man killed up here.
Reckon that's open?
Could be. It could just be the suburbs.
Yeah, well, you're true. Oh, crap. We missed a really cool thing. There was a hole in the mountain.
You see it from there?
No, it's back there.
Do I need to turn around?
If you can. It's not a huge hole, but it's a hole.
Is it a hole worth turning around for?
I think so. You may not, but I do.
Alright. Then turn around we shall.
I didn't think we'd see much through here. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. See that rock right there with a hole in it?
Yes, I do. Now that you say that. Can you guys see that? Almost looks like a perfectly shaped little doorway.